Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to block an email address in Gmail, whether it's spam or just someone you no longer want to hear from. It's a fast and effective way to keep your inbox clean and stress-free. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, scroll down and click on the email from the sender you would like to block. You'll need to open the message itself. These steps gives you access to Gmail's more advanced controls. With the email open, look towards the top right corner of the message. You'll see the 3 vertical dots. This is Gmail's more menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, select block sender's name. This action will immediately tell Gmail to stop delivering emails from that address to your main inbox. Gmail will then confirm that future messages from this sender will go straight to your spam folder. No more clutter. Remember, if you ever change your mind, unblocking is just as easy. Open any email from the sender, click the same 3 dots and choose unblock from the list. And that's it, guys. You have now learned how to unblock someone in Gmail and take control of your email space. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.